How to use Ox ERP. Copy the demo account login details and log in with it. First setup. Product category. Here we set up the different categories of the product we deal on. Fill in the category name as shown. Under category code, input your preferred code. If none, leave empty by hitting the space bar. Same applies for the description. Submit when done. Saved entries can be edited or deleted. Check the action box on the line item and click the delete button to delete entry or update button to update entry. Add product name. Here we set up the full name of product we deal on as it should appear on the invoice, e.g. brand name plus model plus description. Choose the category it falls under. Input unit of measurement. Place mouse on the barcode and scan the product barcode if any. In this example, I did not use a barcode. View/edit product. Here we edit and/or delete entries added. View product list is a quick window to view all products. Can be downloaded by clicking the download button. Add branch. Here we set up the branches/sales point of the organization. Under branch name, type in a preferred branch name. On the description, key in the full address of branch, other contact details that should appear on the address side of the invoice, example phone number, email, company TIN number etc. In this example we used HQ as branch name and address as number 1 Adden Street. If organization has more than one branch, click on the Add More button and input the branch detail. Hit the Submit button to save entry. Next is logo. Select a logo size picture, preferably 200px x 200px, upload and submit. View branch is a window to edit/delete saved entries. Add user. Here we create individual users that should have access to the system. Fill the form with details of user. Under the user rights, system comes with some default users. Admin gives user access to every module. Stock officer gives user access to stock. Sales gives user access to sales and expense. Note that all newly created users has a default password, password 1. Submit when done. Add customer account module. Add customer. Here we set up our customers. Fill the necessary details, choose the branch customer will be attached to, select the marketer if applicable. Then click the Add button to quickly set up the marketer, and submit when done. View customer is where we view/edit saved customer entries. Log payment. Here we post customer payment. Click on deposit to credit customer account and/or withdraw to debit customer's account. Fill the necessary information and submit. Customer statement. Here we spool the individual account statement/ledger of each customer. Pick a customer and/or pick a date range and click the View button for system to generate the customer statement. Statement can be printed or saved by clicking the Save/Print button or downloaded to Excel and other available formats by clicking the Download button. Debtors. Here we see a list of debtors and also generate the aging report. Branch stock menu module. Add goods to branch. Here we add stock into the system. Input a preferred name to be given to the batch. Input other necessary details like cost and expiry date if any. Submit. System generates a stock invoice document. When stock is added, it needs to be approved on order to be made available for sales. Click the Approve Sales button to approve the added stock batch for sale or click OK to continue and approve later. View/Edit added goods. Here we have a report of all added stock per batch. Unapproved entries can still be modified or deleted by clicking the batch name or the Delete button respectively. Click Approve to make available for sales. Set/View selling price. Here we set the default selling price for goods. Select the branch to set the selling price and click the Go button. Input the respective selling prices per unit and submit. About to/expired goods shows about to and/or expired goods if any. View goods in branch generates the available stock in a branch. Pick the branch and click the Go button. Generated stock balance report can be downloaded, saved or printed. Sales log module. Log sale. Here we raise sales invoice. Choose the branch, undersold to, select the customer, underneath it is name on invoice. You can input the name that should appear on the invoice. Amount paid. In instances where customer made payment for the particular sale you're logging, input the amount customer paid. Input the date of invoice. Under payment due date, input the number of days payment will be due for this invoice. Leave at 0 if payment for invoice will be due immediately. Under the items bought, select the product sold. Input the number of units. System generates the defined selling price. The selling price can be manual inputted if the system defined selling price is not applicable for the invoice. Click Add More button to add more line items. Submit. System generates an invoice/delivery note and does the necessary accounting entries. Example, credits the branch revenue account, debits the customer's account, credits the customer's account, if any amount was posted on the amount paid box. View/update sales. Here you can edit the entries initially posted and submit, or click the reverse button to reverse/delete the line item on the invoice. Such edits may be due to returns or wrong posting. System will automatically do the necessary accounting entries for each action taken. Sales report. Here's an invoice-by-invoice sales report, showing payment status. Report can filter to show per branch and/or within a date range. You can also click on the invoice number to generate the invoice doc. Sales return logs all edited sales entry. Reg/view referral. This is where we fully set up all sales marketers, as shown when creating a customer. View invoice. This is where we call up invoice document. Input the invoice number and click go. Invoice detail. Here we set up the notes to be attached to our invoice, e.g. thanks for your patronage, payment details, etc. Set of bank quote. Here we set up organization accounts to show on the quote/pro forma invoice. Raise quote. This is where we raise quote to a customer. Input the necessary details and submit. View quote. Here we view all entries. We can also edit, delete or post quote as sale. Reports module. General report generates reports as it pertains sales. Can be filtered using different parameters. Same applies to customer report and referrals, but has the customer and marketer parameter respectively. Check out all the reports. Revenue report generates the side-by-side revenue, cost of sales, gross profit, expenses, net profit and others figures. 2 or more revenue report can generate it for a period to help compare performance between different periods. Click on the Add More button to set the different comparison parameters and click View to generate all. Financial module. Stock ledger shows the movement of stock. Stock position shows the stock balance as at a date. Expense category. Here we set up different categories of our expenses, e.g. welfare, transport, rent, etc. Log expense. This is where we log expenses. Input a brief description of the expense, amount spent and category. Submit. Expense statement. A comprehensive expenses report can be filtered by different parameters. Posted expense can also be reversed by checking the line item action checkbox and clicking the reverse button. Profit/loss generates the income statement report. Goods transfer module. Stock can be moved from one branch to another. Branch card to that. Select the branch to pick from and click Go. Fill the details and submit. Remember, all added stock must be approved to be available for sales. Go to Branch Stock menu, View/Edit Added Stock to approve such entries. Stock can also be moved from a branch to expense, maybe due to internal consumption or theft or damages. Click Product, Expense. Input the necessary data and submit. Stock adjustment is a journal that handles stock adjustment. Stock can be added and or removed. Select the required details and click Go as shown on this video. Transfer inventory is a report detailing the movement of stock for the goods transfer module.